mastering do, did, and done in English. Understanding essential uses with examples. Introduction. In English, the verbs do, did, and done are versatile. They can act as auxiliary verbs for forming questions and negatives, or as general verbs representing actions. This lesson will guide you through each usage with examples. Do as an auxiliary verb. When do functions as an auxiliary verb, it helps form questions, short answers, and negatives in simple tenses. Examples. Questions: do you like tennis? Did they like the film? Short answers: yes, I do. Yes, they did. Negatives: he doesn't play well. Joe didn't see it. Using do as a general verb. As a main verb, do can refer to actions or activities. It can also be used to inquire what someone is doing. Examples. What do you do to relax? I listen to music. Don't do that, Tommy. What are they doing? They are dancing. Asking about jobs or occupations. What do you do? Is commonly used to ask about someone's job. It can also be used to ask about another person's job. Examples. What do you do? I'm a student. I'm a teacher. What does your wife do? She's a doctor. Using do with tasks. Do is often combined with tasks, especially routine chores or duties. Common phrases include: do the housework, do the gardening, do the washing, do your homework, do your best. Additional examples. Here are more examples of using do in sentences. Did you do the washing this morning? No, I will do it later. Our company does a lot of business with the USA. The homework is difficult. Just do your best. Tip: make a note of any expressions with do that you find when reading in English. This will help you understand the various contexts in which do is used. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more grammar tips. And if you have any questions or need more examples, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Click here to subscribe. To watch our previous lessons, click here.